Good morning. Before I begin my assembly, I would just like to start with our Sir Thomas Bottler values prayer. Lord God, come and be with us today. Let us be thankful for the new day ahead and help us to be hopeful when things get tough. Teach us humility to put others first and bring us friendship when we feel lonely. Fill our hearts with compassion to help those in need and show us endurance to get through the day. Amen. Morning. Firstly, we'd just like to say a huge hello and welcome to our lovely Year 6, soon to be Year 7 students. It is a pleasure to be speaking to you this morning. My name is Miss Baggaley and I am an RE teacher and the Collective Worship Coordinator at Sir Thomas Bottler Church of England High School. The reason that I'm here this morning is that I'm just going to talk to you about some of the things that make our school so special in terms of our Bottler family and our Christian ethos. As a faith school, we deliver meaningful collective worship in order to further promote the holistic development of our students. So collective worship takes place in form time and during our weekly year group assemblies. Collective worship is basically time outside of the curriculum to discuss things that are happening around the world. It's a chance to reflect on spiritual and moral issues, and it's also an opportunity to worship God, whatever that means to you. We do collective worship because it develops life skills in order to become a good citizen, and it also reinforces positive attitudes and promotes our school ethos. Our collective worship programme is built upon our 6 Bottler Christian values of hope, thankfulness, endurance, humility, compassion and friendship. By exploring these 6 important values and characteristics, we support the holistic development of our students on their journey of faith and exploration. Here at Sir Thomas Bottler Church of England High School, our Ethos Council makes up a really important part of our student leadership team. So the Ethos Council is a group of students who are devoted to making our school community the best it can be. So they are responsible for promoting our school values and maintaining a warm, positive and caring environment. If this is something you would be interested in when you do join our school, this is just some examples of the roles of ethos leaders. So it's to review and contribute to collective worship to make it better. You will be involved with assemblies. You will create thoughts for the day and plan collective worship lessons. You will deliver collective worship during form time and fundraise for Christian charities that we support as a school or new charities that you would like to support as students. Finally, each morning our students are presented with a new thought for the day. So I just wanted to leave this thought with you for both our Year 6 students and the parents and carers. Don't be afraid of change. It is leading you to a new beginning. Thank you.